Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with Essentials. Ensure you are an admin on this Mac and remember your login password. This is required to unlock the login keychain. Once done, open Finder Right Arrow Applications, Right Arrow Utilities, Right Arrow Keychain Access. Make sure System Preferences has File Vault or Screen Lock enabled so permissions behave predictably. You need to know whether you're using iCloud Keychain versus local login keychain because the next steps diverge. We'll handle the local case first, then iCloud. You now find the credential. Type the app, website, or service name in Keychain Access's search box to narrow results. Once you see the correct entry, double-click it to open details, then check the Show Password box to reveal the secret. When prompted, authenticate with your macOS admin username and password. This step prevents unauthorized viewing. If the entry belongs to iCloud Keychain, authenticate with your Apple ID or device passcode instead, and make sure two-factor challenges complete on a trusted device. Finally, if you need a portable copy, select Items and use File Right Arrow Export Items. Choose P12 for keys and secure the file with a strong passphrase. Store the exported file in an encrypted container or secure storage and delete any temporary copies. Make sure to relock Keychain Access when finished. If Show Password fails, repair, or reset, open Keychain Access Right Arrow Keychain First Aid or reset your login keychain via Preferences. Note resetting may discard locally stored passwords, so back up first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.